2000s, when we were working together, we used to look to train teachers. We used to look to hire teachers, sorry. And every end of the year, you know, you need new teachers. The old ones leave and you have to get replacements. And every time we would put out advertisements to hire, and we would only get people from so many different fields. They wouldn't be teachers, they wouldn't be qualified in teaching, and that was what led us to starting Sunshine Teachers Training, so that we could help people become trained. There were so many individuals who wanted to be teachers, but they didn't have the skills, and they didn't know where to get the skills. And that's how we started doing what we do. Both of us have a great passion for Montessori. At the bottom of everything, the reason why we do what we do is because we love and believe in Montessori so much, and we want to spread it as far and wide as possible, so people can do it with their children at home, so people can do it in schools, because it is so beneficial to children. Yeah? Do you think we can give children a better way of learning? Yes. Yes. Okay. You know Montessori is 100 years old, right? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, so this has always been there. It's just that not all of us have had access to it, right? But it's always been there. Let me tell you a little bit about my background. I was born in Japan, and I grew up in West Africa, in Ghana, and I've studied in India and in Canada, and now I live in Indonesia. So I bring all of my diversity from around the world into what I do. I have, my claim to fame is that I have triplets, 3 boys, kembar 3, and yeah, super fun. And I'm a Montessori mom. I was lucky enough to do my Montessori training before I had my children. My parents were living here at the time, and I was living in West Africa. My husband and I were living there. And I came on a holiday to visit my parents. At that time I didn't have children, and I was thinking that I wanted to teach, and I wanted to get some skills that would help me to become a better mom when I finally did have children. And so I had enrolled for an online course in Montessori, and I came here on vacation, and I happened to see an ad for a Montessori course in the newspapers, and I thought, okay, you know, it was the same company that I had enrolled with, you know, and I thought, let me just go and check it out, you know, because I hadn't seen anything and I just wanted to know. And I met the tutor, and I liked her so much, and I loved what she said to me, and I really thought, you know, I'd like to do this. And I came home and I phoned my husband that night, and I said, you know, I told you I'm coming here for 1 month vacation to visit my parents, but I think I'm going to turn that into 7 months because I'm staying and I want to do my diploma here, you know. So I stayed, and it was a huge sacrifice for myself and my husband, and I completed my diploma over here. And I have to tell you, that was 20 years ago. It was in 1997. That was the best gift till date that I have given myself. That is the best thing that I've done for my children, because it changed me as a human being. I didn't have children for the next 5 years. I didn't have children until 2002, but I taught and I worked, and it just changed me as a human being, and it made me the best mom I could be. I honestly tell you, I don't mean to boast or something, but I have so many people who come and tell me, you're such an amazing mom, you have amazing kids. My kids are now 15. They're such good kids. Honestly, I don't take the credit. It's all Montessori. It's everything that I learned from Montessori that helped me raise amazing kids. I have to say that my kids are amazing. I mean, we have to. Don't have to wait for other people to say it. And it's not me. It's Montessori that helped me do that helped me raise really good kids, that helped me do things at home that, because in the beginning, you know, when I put them in school, I couldn't find the kind of Montessori school I was looking for that ran a full program. So I did a lot of things at home. I sent them to preschool, but I supplemented. Before I sent them to preschool, I did things at home. Everything, when you do Montessori, when you study Montessori, you live, you breathe, you eat, you sleep. Everything you do just suddenly becomes in a Montessori way. That doesn't go for me. It's for every single person that I've seen out there who's done Montessori. They raise kids differently. I work with many different children. I teach religious classes, and I know, I can see, I can pick out a Montessori child in a second. You just see the difference in the way they do things. The ones who come from Montessori homes where the mums are really applying it, it makes a huge difference to their personality. So I really want to congratulate you for coming here today, for doing this for your children. That's one of the best steps really that you could have taken by being here today. You're really going to make a difference already. Okay.